Hey guys, what's up? This is Burke with The Internal Gym, and today I want to talk about meeting yourself, knowing yourself. When you're in a mall and you're lost, you look at the information map. The first thing you have to know is where you are. Knowing where you want to go is irrelevant if you do not know where you are. Meet yourself where you're at. And in my training program, a lot of times what I talk about is meeting your body, understanding it for the first time, and then also meeting your mind, knowing and being connected with what you are, where you are. An example of it, and I'll explain it in physicality. When we look at our bodies, and let's say somebody's doing a push-up or a chest press, okay? The word push and the word press, they signify this motion, right? But in actuality, what's happening is our bodies are pulley systems. So what's really happening in actuality is we have our muscles that are connected from here to here. This is your sternum, and this is your anterior humerus. My chest is a pull muscle. It pulls this way. My tricep is a pull muscle, and it pulls this way. So when you put a chest pull with a tricep pull at the same time, what happens is you're pushing, but it's an illusion of a push. Does that make sense? These pulls, two pulls, make the illusion of a push. Just by doing that, you have a better connection neuromuscularly with your body because you become aware that I'm actually not pushing because it's physically impossible for your body to push. What it's doing is pulling. And by doing that, you have a better understanding of who you are and how your body works. So when you lift, you engage at a greater rate. When you lift, you tear more muscle fibers. The resistance is more directed and isolated where you want it to be. Now take that concept into our own lives. If we know our minds, if we know our habits, if we know where we're at, if we have a better understanding of the reality of who we are, whether good or bad, if we can be honest with ourselves, then there's a higher hope of us getting from where you are to where we want to be. And that's really what the goal is. Taking inventory of self, being mindful in your life is extremely, extremely, extremely important to getting to where you want to be. So don't rush to get to the bookstore and get that self-help book. Don't buy that program. Don't be so quick to jump for all these things. Take a moment in silence. Take a moment with yourself and meet yourself. Ask yourself the question, where am I? What do I really want? Is it a want? Is it a wish? Is it a need? Meet yourself. Take the time. And we're going to spend a lot of time talking about mindfulness, talking about taking a moment to take inventory. And there's many ways to do it, but I promise the better you get at knowing yourself, the easier it is to become who you want to be. I hope that helps, guys. Thanks a lot.